Ooh.
So the Crimson Scholars Program is a scholarship program that is set up to support students who need a little bit more academic support than some others. So it's geared towards truly being that guiding light and that open hand to help lead them in the right direction. So truly the ultimate goal is to show you that you can be successful and graduate. But in that process, we want to make sure that you're able to find community, find family, and find relationships that hopefully you'll be able to have for lifelong endeavors.
Honestly, without the program, I'm not sure how I would have survived coming to college. I am an introvert, but I was surrounded by people who look like me, people who are from the same area as me and have similarities as me, so it kind of just felt like home.
I think Immersion Week really allowed me to make a lot of great friends, meet a lot of new people, and make connections for in college, but even once I start my career. So I think it was really beneficial to feeling comfortable in the space.
We have so many individuals who are scholars and want to become peer mentors so that they can help lead those who are incoming scholars. So the full circle is just amazing, it's thriving, and it truly shows that it makes a difference in our students' lives.
Being a mentee and turning into a mentor after you've been impacted by someone your freshman year and they've taught you so much, being able to push that forward is really fulfilling to me.
I decided I needed to give back to the program, because they've done so much for me, helped me financially, academic-wise, so I wanted to become a mentor and just make that step into becoming a leader and try to become a better person.
With those who are part of the program, you see leadership qualities and traits that I don't think other individuals find within themselves without being a part of something like this.
The importance of friendships and relationships and really understanding people on a deeper level, academic integrity, respect with staff members. Crimson Scholars has given that opportunity to realize that all IUP wants to do and all of the whole entire staff wants to do is help everyone, and Crimson Scholars has really been a bridge for that, and I really appreciated that.
I truly believe this is one of the greatest things that anywhere could think of, just being able to have the opportunity to be here for our students, and the support is truly there. And we just know that this is something that gives an opportunity for those who either don't have one or they never thought within themselves that they could succeed in higher education. And this is the perfect opportunity for them.